At the beginning of the world, there were several primordial beings. First came chaos, then Gaia, earth, and finally Eros, love. The first to exist was chaos, followed by Gaia, the earth, and finally Eros, the god of love. The Titans were created by Uranus and Gaia in Greek mythology. Uranus was not fond of his children, and so he imprisoned them deep within the earth. Gaia, sick of having her children imprisoned, made a great sickle that she gave to her son Cronus. Cronus hid until he came to lie with his mother, then leaped out and sliced off his father's genitals, which fell into the sea. After overthrowing his father, Uranus, Cronus released his fellow Titans from prison, thus beginning the age of the Titans. Cronus married the Titan Rhea, who gave birth to most of the major gods. Cronus imprisoned his newborn children by swallowing them whole due to a prophecy that they would take his power. Rhea pleaded to Gaia for help, who, taking pity, hid Zeus after being born in a cave on Mount Ida in Crete and fed by the goat Amalthea. When Cronus attempted to devour his son, Rhea tricked the Titan by feeding him a stone instead. Gaia cared for Zeus until he had grown strong enough to confront his father and challenge him for power. The two fought, and upon defeat, Cronus was forced to release Zeus's siblings, starting the war between the gods and the Titans. The war lasted 12 years until Zeus freed the Cyclops and the hundred-handed giants imprisoned by Cronus. The Cyclops gave Zeus his famous thunderbolt, Poseidon his trident, and Hades a hat of darkness, tipping the battle balance. The defeated Titans were thrown into Tartarus, a prison deep within the underworld. And so started the reign of the gods. Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades decided to share power, drawing lots to decide where they would rule over. The ancient Greeks believed that Zeus was the god of the sky, Poseidon of the seas, and Hades of the underworld. Zeus, the king of gods, often used his symbols of thunderbolt and eagle to warn or encourage mortals while ruling from his throne on Mount Olympus, home of immortals. Based on his mood, Zeus controlled all weather, from lightning to snow. He was a protector of the home and strangers, meaning that you could be in deep trouble if you were a bad host. Zeus married his sister Hera, who gave birth to the gods Ares and Hephaestus. Zeus had numerous affairs with goddesses, resulting in the birth of Athena, Hermes, Apollo, Artemis, and Persephone. He had many affairs with mortal women, resulting in the birth of Dionysus and heroes like Perseus and Hercules, who often faced the wrath of Hera. Our second journey into Greek mythology, Part 2, Poseidon. Remember to like and subscribe so we can continue this journey together. Thank you for watching.